Type Python download in search box. In python.org website, click on the link. The latest version will be displayed here. You just click on download. Executable file will get downloaded. Once the download is completed, open the file, add Python 3.10 to path, select this option because this will help you to execute programs by using Django in future. So select this path also, add Python 3.10 to path, it's better. It will be useful for execution of Django and other related frameworks. So click on install now. Generally it takes 2 to 3 minutes. Once the setup is over, this screen will be displayed. So now you can directly use IDLE in Windows. Type IDLE, click on IDLE. Now IDLE will be open. Now you can run Python code here. Now you can run Python code here. Done. Right. Thank you.